We're on our way to Vegas for the front row card show. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna be with T.I. tonight. So yeah, stay tuned. Just landed in Vegas. About to link up with the Prism God, the homie Broke Skull. It's gonna be a crazy weekend. Yeah. Last night was crazy. Still recovering. We out here though. We on our way to Tuscany right now for the front row card show. Should be a good time. We got some cash to spend. Hopefully we get some good deals. Get our hustle on, you know what I'm saying? Get these deals and then get the f out of here. Yada I mean. Make sure you follow my dude Broke Skull, man, on Insta or whatnot. Making a deal with my dude Card Freaks right now. .lv for some Zards. You know what I mean? Shout out to my dude Jared. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you, man. Deal with my dude Poziniac Sports. I had to grab the Mbappe rookie, man. He had a price to go. I appreciate you, brother.
Yes, sir, man. Enjoy it.
What you doing, man? What you buying, man?
Buying some vintage, man. Gotta get some mantles. You know, there's some things in there.
Ooh, the satchel too. And he's grabbing the roof. Ooh. Let's go. Z ain't playing today, man. He just picked up the 33 Babe Ruth. Making a deal with Captain Ticket for the LeBron James Chrome. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you, my man. Working a deal with Viva Cards with a Z at the end. You know, we gotta grab some Ellie. Appreciate you, brother.
It's a gift, bro. It's a gift.
Working a deal with my guy right here. 125 for the Ellie. Deal with my dude, Paradise Card Breakers right now. 800 for the gold. 10 and 10, Jeremy Sohan. Let's go. Appreciate you, my guy.
Absolutely, man. Appreciate you.
Dropping my Jeremy Sohan off with SGC. Let's go. My dude, Commander Games. Much appreciated.
What's up? Much appreciated.
Make sure you check them out. I got all the old school magic too. All the good stuff. Deal with my dude, Franchise Hits 702. Check them out. Take a drink. I appreciate you, brother.
Cheers.
Thank you, man.
Congratulations.
Making a deal with my dude, Snorlax Collects for the Champions Path Shiny Charizard, man. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Doing another submission with my brothers over at SGC. Collect smarter. Can't beat that deal. Just got back from Vegas last night. The Front Row Card Show is off the chain. Definitely one of my favorite card shows I've ever been to. And it's in Vegas. I mean, it's a turn up all the way around. A lot of dope cards from vintage to modern, graded, an abundance of slabs. SGC was there, which was super dope. I grabbed a whole bunch of Charizards. I didn't even think I was gonna buy Pokemon. It definitely wasn't even on my radar. Huge shout out to my big homie Z for sliding out and shopping with me. That was hella fun to see him pick up some huge cards. Yeah, I'll definitely be back to Front Row. Next video, I got a crazy SGC unboxing, so definitely, if you haven't already, subscribe, because about 180 cards or something like that. I will be at the Burbank Card Show, so definitely, if you see this, follow me over on Instagram, tap in with me, Rookie Patch Autograph. And one more shout out, I had a shout out to the homies at Paradise Card Breaks for hooking me up, blessing me with the Zion case, man. This thing is sick. I'll probably be doing a review on it, but yeah, stay up, stay tuned. Much love. Let's keep the hobby alive. Let's keep it jumping. Let's keep it moving. Let's get it.